Over the past decade, the biopharma industry has seen the rise of AI-driven platforms aiming to fill the so-called valley of death. This critical gap between preclinical discovery and clinical translation represents a major obstacle for early-stage biopharma startups. Today, we're taking a closer look at 3 such platforms: AION Labs, Narrativa, and 𝗕𝗕𝗄𝗧𝗘𝗖𝗛, and assessing their potential to not only help startups cross this valley, but also thrive beyond. 1. AION Labs. With significant market penetration in biospace, AION Labs has established itself as a leader in using AI to build the next generation of biotech companies. Backed by major players like Pfizer and WuXi, this pharma-backed venture studio has the resources and expertise to support startups through the entire drug development process. While its large market value of $150 to $250 million reflects its deep backing and strategic alliances, it's worth noting that AION isn't a traditional investment. Instead, it builds startups that solve core discovery and development bottlenecks, meaning that the value proposition is realized as the startup succeeds. 2. Narrativa. Narrativa demonstrates medium to high market penetration in biospace, particularly within clinical and regulatory documentation. As a provider of a generative AI platform, Narrativa automates the preparation of regulatory documents, submissions, and publications, a function that has traditionally been both time-consuming and prone to human error. With a market value of less than $100 million, the company is still agile and scaling quickly among CROs and biotech, indicating a promising trajectory. However, the regulatory writing use case is well established, which may limit the extent of near-term surprise. 3. 𝗕𝗕𝗄𝗧𝗘𝗖𝗛. 𝗕𝗕𝗄𝗧𝗘𝗖𝗛 occupies a medium market niche focused on target discovery and drug repurposing. Their AI-driven transomic platform provides mechanistic insights that can accelerate the identification of new indications for existing drugs, a process that can be both lengthy and expensive. While the company has a smaller market value of $50 to $100 million and is still early stage, its scientifically promising approach has gained traction within the industry. However, its impact may be somewhat limited given its small footprint outside of target ID and repurposing. So what does the data tell us? Looking at the comparative due diligence, we see that AION Labs and Narrativa emerge as the top 2 picks. Both have a strong foothold in the industry and offer unique solutions to the challenges faced by biopharma startups. But which one should take the crown? Let's delve deeper. AION Labs adopts a strategic model. It uses a consortium-backed venture studio approach to incubate AI-first biotech startups, fostering innovation at every stage from target ID to commercialization. In contrast, Narrativa delivers a direct SaaS solution for regulatory automation, offering fast ROI and low technical friction, while AION targets early R&D, including target ID and biomarker discovery. Narrativa focuses on late-stage development, enhancing efficiency in regulatory submission prep. This strategic difference positions Narrativa to provide a quicker, more focused solution for companies seeking to streamline their path to market. However, it's important to consider the adoption profile of each platform. AION, with its high innovation depth, may face slower onboarding cycles and longer time to value compared to Narrativa, which can integrate quickly and deliver immediate impact. This trade-off is crucial for startups that need to make a significant leap in a shorter time frame. Finally, assessing the risk profile reveals another advantage for Narrativa. While AION spreads its risk across multiple startup baits, Narrativa, with its singular product focus, carries the risk of slower growth if the technology doesn't scale as anticipated, and the winner is Narrativa. Its focused approach to regulatory automation positions it to deliver faster results with lower implementation friction, making it the top choice for biopharma startups looking to accelerate their journey from bench to bedside. However, both Narrativa and AION Labs represent exciting advancements in bridging the valley of death. As the biopharma industry continues to evolve, we can expect these platforms to not only drive innovation, but also shape the future of drug development.